What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the first episode of Reinventing Media. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make your own website in under 10 minutes. Very cheap, and it's going to be a step-by-step tutorial and everyone should be able to do it. So let's just jump into it. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to open and go to ipage.com. You're gonna click agree and proceed because the website uses cookies like most of the websites nowadays. So as you can see, if you follow the link in the description that I left for you guys to create your own website, you're gonna have 82% off hosting and free domain registration and lots of other free stuff that's coming on. Plus 30 days money back guarantee, which is it's very, very good. If you don't like it, you'll just 100% gonna get your money back. There's also a special offer of £1.50 a month, which is, it's like for free, and basically this thing is gonna do everything for you. Click get started now. Once you click that, you search here for your domain name. It says it's available. You click next and customize. Let's say you want it for 3 years, 2 years, 1 year. That's up to you. It's exactly what you want to pick. I would recommend getting it for, if you want the best value, you can choose the 3 years plan. I personally went with the 2 years one. Just go ahead with this one. Right here, you'll see everything you need to buy. These are like optional features that you can add to your website. You can basically disable some of them if you don't need them. For example, backup, and the price drops a lot. I would recommend to keep your website security just in case, and that's it. With £69 a month you can get your website very cheap and it makes it look very professional. Let's just go to the other page because I already have a website, so I'm not gonna purchase another one. So once you finish the registration process, you have to log in into your account. Once you log in into your account, it's going to look like this. So what I need you to do is to go to website and website builder, and right here you see that I already have my website. If you don't have this one here, you can click add website builder and you choose a template. And right here, this is your control panel of your website, and here you have different features. It shows you exactly what's your traffic for your website, unique visitors, page views, visit duration, basically all the information you need. You can create a new site, you can manage your sites, you can basically do everything you want in your control panel. You can modify your pages as you want, you can add videos to your website, basically everything. This is the easiest method I found. If you guys have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. I might be able to help you. From the manage section, you can add Google Analytics, your favicon, it's the little icon that shows on your website. E-commerce, you can add an online shop for your website. It's pretty good and it's very, very cheap. You can upgrade to your store. I don't have that yet because I'm not selling anything through my website. The most important part, it's up here at the pages. So here you have all the pages, but it's very, very simple because you can just drag and drop to edit your pages. You just click here and modify as you wish everything what's on your website. So if you guys made it this far in the video, consider subscribing if you're not subscribed yet. Please like my video, share my video with your friends so they can get the help they need to create their own website for a very, very cheap price, and I'll see you guys in the next video.